Alright, so again we will repeat something we have done before, but this time again without the mantra, but with breath awareness. So I guess you know what it is. I want you to sit in a chair, eyes open or closed on 2 separate occasions. And I want you to only be aware of your breath while doing so. Be completely silent and feel the breath going in and out for the entire duration of the session. And I want you to sit there, one session lasting 15 minutes, another for 20 minutes, and a third for 30 minutes. Easy? Maybe. Maybe not. Good luck.